In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter your opening bank balance in Xero. To begin, look at the top navigation bar of your Xero dashboard. From the available options, click on Accounting. A menu will appear with several accounting features. From that menu, select Accounting Settings. This is where you'll find the settings needed to enter your opening balances. After opening Accounting Settings, locate the option called Conversion Balances and click on it. This section displays the opening balances for any bank accounts that have already been added to Xero. It's also the place where you'll enter or update those balances. Once you're on the Conversion Balances page, you'll see a list or table containing your bank accounts. Review the list and find the account you want to update. When you've located the correct account, click Add a New Line. This allows you to enter an opening balance for that specific bank account. Next, choose the appropriate bank account if prompted. Make sure you've selected the correct one before entering any information. Taking a moment to confirm the account helps prevent mistakes and ensures the opening balance is applied to the right place. Now it's time to enter the opening balance. In the debit column, type the opening balance for the selected bank account. Enter the amount carefully and check that it matches the opening balance you want to record. Accuracy is important because this value becomes the starting point for your bank records in Xero. After you've entered the balance, review everything you've added. Check that you've selected the correct bank account and that the amount has been entered in the debit column exactly as intended. Taking a final look before saving can help you catch any mistakes. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, click Save. This records the opening bank balance and updates your conversion balances with the information you've entered. After saving, your opening bank balance is now stored for that bank account. If you have additional bank accounts that require opening balances, you can repeat the same process by selecting another account, adding a new line, entering the amount in the debit column, reviewing the information, and saving your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.